stood up in Holyrood and asked all MSPs to hold the 22 Scottish elections as a plebiscite. 129 said no, Ash stands alone. Ash is she wolf crying in the wilderness of the Independence Street. She was laughed down, no one backed her up. Unfortunately, she has the spirit determination in her spine, but she stands alone. Ash, you have the panache and the style confidence and the attractiveness way of doing things. And flair to suggest an impressive, engaging manner, making people admire your courage and strength, performance and style. Ash Regan, we need you to guide us through these dark times as independence is kicked into the long grass for the 12th time. As long as the parties get along, still together become strong. Alliance, S&P, the Greens, we need to beat the tonic to strategy, have our say. Vote the tactical way, get us out of this jeopardy. Ash, is she wolf crying in the wilderness of the Independence Street. Conference, all parties to come under one umbrella, but the S&P and the Green refuse to attend. Just goes to show, party before country is the way to go. Independence is dead, it's been kicked into the long grass. Ash Regan trying something new, but yet again being told the MPs are not behind you. Ash Regan, is she wolf crying in the wilderness of the Independence Street. No matter how you turn to get us out of this UK union, the stone throw